Are you in need of some extra cash? Maybe you have an unexpected bill to pay, or you're looking to finally take that vacation you've been dreaming of. Whatever the reason may be, you're in luck. There's a limited time offer to get your hands on $10,000 today. But before you jump at the opportunity, it's important to understand the details of the offer. This isn't a handout or a lottery win, it's a loan. You'll need to pay back the $10,000 plus interest over a set period of time. So, it's important to make sure you have a plan in place to pay back the loan before taking the money. That being said, if you're confident in your ability to pay back the loan and you have a legitimate need for the money, this could be a great opportunity for you. Here are a few ways you could use the $10,000. Consolidate debt. If you have high-interest credit card debt or other loans with high interest rates, consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate could save you money in the long run. Make home improvements. Maybe you've been wanting to renovate your kitchen or bathroom but haven't had the funds to do so. The $10,000 could go a long way in making those improvements. Start a business. If you've been dreaming of starting your own business but don't have the capital to get started, this loan could give you the kickstart you need. Of course, these are just a few examples of how you could use the money. The possibilities are endless, but it's important to have a plan in place before taking out the loan. So, how do you get your hands on the $10,000? The details of the offer will depend on the lender, but typically you'll need to fill out an application and provide some financial information. You'll also need to have a good credit score to qualify for the loan. Overall, getting $10,000 today can be a great opportunity if you have a legitimate need for the money and a plan to pay it back. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Do your research, make a plan, and take advantage of the opportunity if it's right for you.